Hey guys, I'm super excited to be bringing you brand new watercolor book 15-minute watercolor masterpieces. It has a lot of projects inside and I cannot wait for you guys to check it out.
15-minute watercolor masterpieces is 50 step-by-step projects where each project can be painted in 15 minutes. All the projects are collated into different chapters throughout the book. I've got theory chapters like watercolor techniques and exercises, and project subjects like beautiful landscapes, dreaming galaxies, elegant plants and foliage, flowers, fruits and sweets, adorable animals, fashion. All these 50 projects have a background story that means something to me, what inspired, impressed me, and what I love. Each project has an intro, supplies list, project colors, and color mixing if needed. In some projects, I've included additional tips that will help you to paint the masterpiece even easier. After, you'll see all steps with images and descriptions. The best thing about this book is that you don't just follow the steps. I'm giving you an example of how the same project can be painted differently. Let's try to paint one project in 15 minutes. Now let's apply the same techniques and paint the same project differently. Usually books are folding, but my book has premium binding, so it doesn't fold when you follow the steps. Lovely, isn't it?
This is a book I'm super proud of. It's packed with watercolor projects that's gonna help you to open your creativity. You will find a lot of inspiration, a lot of projects there. It's already available to pre-order, so check it out and have fun.